All right, guys. The ability to sell any product, okay, when it comes to dropshipping, is based on two things: value and medium. Okay, if you want to generate the ability to sell any product whatsoever, you need to know two things: value and medium. You have to be very good at value and medium. When it comes to value, you have to be able to identify, position, and present. Identify the value within a product, position it. Okay, so choose a better positioning for the product that would give you the most output, the most gain. Okay, and then present that positioned value to your target audience. Okay, the medium through which you sell the product also matters. If you get this wrong, you might face um, struggles. You might face hardship when it comes to selling the product. You need to choose a medium that enables you to easily find and engage the customers, your target audience, with that product. Like sometimes LinkedIn could be the best place to sell a product. Really, truly. Not Google, not Facebook, not Twitter. LinkedIn could be the best place to find people most likely to buy your product, and to do it in such a way where your cost is low. The medium that gives you the cheapest option to acquire customers. So if you want to generate the ability to sell any product, you need to know these two things, or have the ability to do these two things, right? Value and medium. Ability to choose, um, um, ability to operate from a value position. Okay, identify the value, position the value, and present the value. You need to be able to do these three things, and also be able to identify the medium. Okay, that would be best selling. That would be best in selling the product. To find the best medium to sell the product, and also um, where you can find and engage customers. The medium that presents you with the most opportunity for you to engage your target audience, your customers, the ones that most likely wants the product, the ones that the product would benefit the most. Okay, so value and medium. All right. All right, guys. So we are done with the video. We're just going to mention a few things. One, if you enjoy the content of the video and you received value, click on the like button, and it is one way for you to show your appreciation, um, and it costs nothing. If you are interested in global dropshipping from an African and Nigerian perspective, okay, subscribe to our channel. We are going to be pumping out content on this. Um, if you want to watch more videos, go to our homepage. Right, go to the homepage. You're going to see playlist, and whatever topic you're interested in, you can just watch the playlist of that. All right, Nigeria to the West, e-commerce and dropshipping, e-commerce in Nigeria, digital marketing, payment gateways, and all that. Okay. Um, Now, when it comes to us, we are Winston Pedigree, a firm specialized in helping Nigerians and Africans build their own global dropshipping business. Okay, from Nigeria, from the African countries, etc. Um, and we have range of services to support the dropshippers with. So in our setup services, we basically help you set up your dropshipping business. Then we have our course programs. Okay, Entrance, Crown, Masters course. The Entrance course is our beginners course. Okay, the Crown is our intermediate. The Masters is our advanced course program. Um, The crown course also contains the entrance course, which is the beginner level global dropshipping course. The master's course contains both the crown course and the entrance course, and also the Trinity course. If you want to enroll, come to our website, add whatever course program you're going for into the cart, and go from there. You are going to receive your access link within an hour. Okay. Um, Now, when it comes to how you can also other places you can reach us in Instagram and Facebook, guys. Winston Pedigree, right? You can find us using searching for Winston Pedigree. Follow us on Instagram. We do post results and proofs on our Instagram, as you can see. But also, we have our tips here that we do post. Okay, so when it comes to our courses, these are the content, the course content. It is very in depth, guys. Over 210 videos. So it is very, very pragmatic, but also intense. Okay, intense. It's filled with a lot of knowledge. We built close to four dropshipping businesses there, and we showed you everything you need to know regarding e-commerce and global dropshipping, suppliers, payment gateways, how to set them up, pretty much all that. Okay. Um, yeah, so that is going to be all, guys. See you in the next video.